What's going on, everybody? Jordan here. I'm back for another video. This video, I'm going to be unboxing some products from Ferocious Beard Co. Let's get started. Alrighty, so I got 5 products here that Ferocious Beard Co. sent out for me to test and review. So shout out to Nate from Ferocious for doing that. Check out Ferocious Beard Co. down below. Have that linked along with his Instagram and YouTube channel. On YouTube, he does a live stream twice a week on Tuesdays and Fridays. I'll have that link down below. Check it out. Yeah, let's unbox these products. Alrighty, so we got black envelope. This shipped via DHL, which was incredibly fast, but there were fees, but that's to be expected with DHL. Look in there, everything's nice and safe, safely packaged, which is always nice to see. And the first one, oh nice. This is Mass Hole, which is a collaboration with Kyle, aka Glorious Beard, who's been on my stream before. Link that down below, as well as his Instagram. And this one is apple, champagne, Cuban tobacco, sea salt, and lemon. And then the ingredients on the oil are jojoba, sunflower, sweet almond, castor oil, and then essential and or fragrance oils for scent. And then the next one we have here is Havana Getaway, which is a warm tobacco rich bourbon. Definitely excited about this one. These labels look awesome. Very, very cool. And then next we have Naked, which is their unscented oil, because I wanted to try an unscented oil because I don't have one yet, so wanted them to include one of those. Just so I have one, so I can work it in with different other products that I have, different balms and butters. And then this is Swagalicious. This is a collab with Beard Swag Barbecue, who was just on my stream. But yeah, this one is oud wood, vanilla bean, bourbon, amber, peppermint, and Texas cedar wood. And there's swag right there. And then next we've got, looks to be a 2-ounce beard butter and the unscented. Yeah, so there it is there. Simple black and white labels with the container. Shea butter, lanolin, sunflower oil, jojoba oil, castor oil, apricot oil, and then essential and or fragrance oils. Yeah, and then make sure you got everything. Got an envelope, got some stickers, Ferocious Beard Co. That's really cool. Business card. Right there, very cool. And I got a big sticker. That's awesome. Very, very cool. Yeah, let's check out these scents. Alrighty, so first one is Mass Hole by Glorious Beard, which, like I said, is apple, champagne, Cuban tobacco, sea salt, and lemon. Let's give this a shake because they've been in a truck. Definitely a nice medium oil. Ooh, whoa. Dang, that's cool. It's like a sweet, but like not like sugary sweet, but like a kind of smooth sweet. You know, the lime's kind of in the background. Or sorry, the lemon. Yeah, that's cool. Probably try this in beard tomorrow. Next, we've got Havana Getaway, which is a warm tobacco and rich bourbon. Give that a shake. Oh, nice. Yeah, definitely get the tobacco off the bat. Oh yeah, I'm gonna like that one. That's awesome. And next we got Swagalicious. Again, great labels right there. Oud wood, vanilla bean, bourbon, amber, peppermint, and Texas cedar wood. I'm really intrigued by this one. Like, definitely sounds super unique. Ooh, definitely get the peppermint off the bat, but I think the vanilla too. I get that as well. It's like a little smoky as well. Probably the Texas cedar wood. That is interesting, man, oh man. And then just to be sure, unscented, see if it's really unscented. Yep, 0 scent whatsoever. So I know sometimes with unscented products there's a bit of a nuttiness to them. Not the case with this one. And let's take a look at the butter. I'm over here talking. Sealed, very nice. Ooh. Yep, no scent. Nice and smooth. Yeah, I'm excited to check this out. Yeah, let's wrap up this video. Alrighty, so shout out to Nate from Ferocious Beard Co for sending out these products. Really excited to finally try Ferocious Beard Co. Heard nothing but great things. Especially being able to get a couple of the collabs with some of my homies, Glorious Beard and Beard Swag Barbecue. Definitely excited to try those ones, as well as Havana Getaway and then Naked, because it'd be nice to have a unscented oil as well as an unscented butter, in case I want to mix a scented butter with the unscented oil or vice versa. Yeah, check out Ferocious Beard Co down below. Check out his 2 streams, Tuesday Collaboration Corner on Tuesdays, and then Ferocious Free For All on Fridays. So check those out down below, as well as Nate's Instagram. I have that linked as well. Check out my Instagram as well if you haven't already. Check out my website. I'm going to be doing some more content on there pretty soon. Some more maybe blog posts, who knows. Let me know down below if there's anything that you want to see. Yeah, shout out to Nate once again for sending out these scents. Stay tuned for a full review coming soon. Peace.